Shopping on Uber Eats from the Uber Eats app. Step 1. Once you have created your Uber account, you can log in by entering your mobile phone number. You will then be asked to verify your number with a code that can be sent to you via text message or phone call. Then you will need to enter your Uber account password to log in. Step 2. Next, add your delivery address to see what stores can deliver directly to you. Step 3. Once you've added your address, click on the Grocery button found at the bottom of the menu bar in the app. In the grocery section, you can also find pharmacies and convenience stores. Step 4. After selecting your local store, you can begin shopping for your items. To find items, either use the search bar again or tap Aisles on the bottom of the screen to shop by category, just like in the store. You can add an item to your cart by tapping the plus sign or tap the image to take a closer look. From the item page, you can click Add to Cart. Step 5. To place your order, select View Cart. If you are happy with your cart, you can select Go to Checkout. Review your order and tap Place Order. Track your order's progress to see the estimated delivery time. Feel free to check back at any time for updates until your order arrives at your front door. If you prefer to use a desktop computer, you can also follow similar shopping steps at www.ubereats.com.